Hash can be used in two places, left hand side and right hand side. When hash is used in left hand side, it means that is a default value. So here you consider a new structure where I have a product. Under a product I have a name, value and weight. Okay, product do not have a category here. I want to put a default category. So I will have a product asterisk, means whatever name they iterate over, put it under a product, and ampersand means whatever you get from the name you will put it here. Under product you will put a name, under product you will put a value, under product you will put a weight. Why? Because it is iterating over. Asterisk means iterating over all the field under product. So all this name, value and weight will be copy pasted. This means copy pasting. Okay, so name, value and weight is copy pasted, but this part where I say hash and default category, and I say that under a product create a node category and put a default value as a default category. So under a product it created a category and placed a default category. After hash, whatever you specify, that value will be placed as a default value.